Welcome to this overview of the SABE Academy, the Sustainable Academy of Building and Engineering at Hoover High School. Welcome to Open House parents. The SABE Academy opened its doors in 2011 with just 60 students in the 10th grade. Now we have grown to over 400 students, grades 9 through 12. We are recognized statewide as a distinguished academy, and we have been recognized nationally for our excellence. Currently, we have 12 teachers on our team in the areas of history, English, math, science, and our elective programs. All of these teachers are dedicated to students and their growth and work together to provide the best education possible for your students. We offer 2 career pathways for students to choose from. These become their elective courses that they take 9th through 12th grade. One path is the construction and one is the engineering pathway. Both offer field trips, integrated experiences, and connections with industry partners, as well as help with post-high school options and entering university. Students have multiple opportunities for leadership, to become leaders in our program, to connect with mentors outside of the school and in industry, to build their resume, to go on field trips. We also offer certification programs in construction, as well as OSHA 10 training for all of our students. We also have a scholarship program that helps students attain their goals post-high school. And SABE is much more than just an educational program. We're a family, we're a community. And by watching this video, I think you'll agree with me. Enjoy what our students have done in the last 3 years.
I like SABE because you get hands-on experience and they offer scholarships for seniors. We all work together in classes and we are really helpful to each other.
I like SABE because it has a lot of cool activities for us, such as the food fairs, the kickball games, and things like that. And then the workshops we do, we get to experience a lot of things and such like field trips and stuff like that that would come in handy later on in the future.
For more information about the SABE program at Hoover High School, please visit our website. You will see pictures, you will see projects, you will see details about what we do in our academy. I hope you enjoyed this presentation.